Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the tool. Join us as we explore Kiplinger's Retirement Calculator, a handy tool for retirement planning. We'll delve into its features, discuss who it's best suited for, and assess its overall effectiveness. Kiplinger's Retirement Calculator offers a refreshingly simple and user-friendly experience. It's designed for those who want a quick assessment of their retirement readiness without getting lost in complex details. If you prefer a streamlined, no-frills approach to retirement estimation, this tool might be perfect for you. One of the most compelling features is its ease of use. The calculator guides you through a straightforward series of questions about key information like your current age, anticipated retirement age, existing savings, yearly contributions, and estimated Social Security benefits. It then effectively translates these inputs into a clear visual representation of your potential financial future, projecting how much you'll likely need for a comfortable retirement based on your current path. This provides a valuable starting point for determining whether you're on target or need to adjust your retirement savings strategy. This tool is especially beneficial for individuals in the early or mid stages of their careers who want a quick reality check on their savings progress. It's also a suitable option for retirees seeking basic confirmation of their financial preparedness. The calculator offers a simplified overview of your projected retirement funds, factoring in average life expectancy, inflation rates, and anticipated investment returns. It's crucial to remember that Kiplinger's Retirement Calculator provides broad estimations. It doesn't delve into nuanced tax implications or offer advanced features like Monte Carlo simulations. However, for those looking for a quick and easy initial assessment to begin their retirement planning or validate their current approach, the Kiplinger calculator performs admirably. While not intended for highly detailed or individualized planning, it serves as a solid first step in the retirement planning process. If you're seeking a quick and accessible way to evaluate your financial readiness for retirement without a complicated learning curve, Kiplinger's Retirement Calculator is an excellent option. Click the link in the description below to try it out for yourself.